636 tank here, and it's looking pretty rough. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab this Dremel, and we're going to try and get all this surface rust and all this nasty goo and stuff off of it. Maybe just take this whole top layer of paint off here, reprime it, and get it ready for another layer of grip. So let's get right to it. We picked up some primer. We also got some color match paint. I'll put the code right here. This is, I think it was the Galaxy Silver. Then we also got some Prep All, which is just for cleaning the surface before we go ahead and get to painting and stuff. This is also a rag for just wiping down that surface. We got some 180 and 320 grit sandpaper. So that's all to get this stuff going. Ta-da! Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice. Yep, just gotta sand down all the edges and whatnot. Start off with the 180, move to the 320, get it nice and smooth, get it primed, ready for paint. Alright, so we got our tank hung up. We masked everything off that we need to mask off. Now we're about ready to clean it, and then once we clean it, we're going to go ahead and start throwing primer on it. So here we go. Tack cloth it, and we got everything all masked off, ready for another layer of paint. We're just doing some touch-up stuff, and we'll put some clear coat on it. Alright, so I got some 800 grit sandpaper here. I'm going to try and break down this line, blend it a little bit. So, a little bit of wet sanding. We'll see how this goes. Ooh. Once it's smooth, that color will buff. Just trying to get rid of the hard line. Don't want to go too deep. Okay. It's definitely way smoother to the touch. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to try and blend all the scuffs and stuff from the sandpaper using our restoring turtle wax here. You're going to need some microfibers, and make sure the surface is nice and clean before you do this. Alright you guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more moto content, we got plenty of stuff going on. Harleys, dirt bikes, stunt bikes. So go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. Until next time, you guys, keep dangling.